Hey ladies, I'm back with a part 3. So I wanted to do something different on my right hand because I wanted to show that you didn't have to do something long and loud and full of glitter. And I just wanted to do something soft and sweet and short, because some girls don't like all the glitter and long nails. So I kind of wanted to please both, you know? So what I did was I took the orange and I made a very thin line across the tip of my nail. And I made sure it was straight. And then I filled in, after I cured it, I filled in the pink. And you didn't really have to be careful with the pink because when you did your filing, it came out straight. And then on my ring finger, I just switched the colors. I put the pink across the tip and put the orange. So yeah, it was really fun, and I really like how it came out, and I love the pink and the orange together. And the peacock theme, really went with these two colors. On my left hand, the peacock I don't think that the peacock feathers and the peacock head, and I don't think it would have went with all the glitter and the hearts and the flowers, so I didn't want to mix the feathers with that. So that's why I put them on my right hand, so that way, I could use a little bit of all the kit. But I know in my last video I talked a lot, so I'm not going to talk a lot in this video. So y'all enjoy, and I'll be back. Come give me love, you know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now. You're probably gonna see my daughter's hand keep going across. She's reaching for the alcohol because she's on the side of me. I gave her some little swatch sticks, and she's practicing doing her polygel on the side of me. So because Zayden helped me do the unboxing, and she was sleeping when that was happening. So now she wants to help me. So I gave her a handful of swatch sticks, and she she did her thing. She was playing with all the glitters and mixing them, and they have so much fun. And she I gave her those little cheap practice hands on Amazon. It's the little like practice ones. Well, of course they're practice hands, but they were the first practice hands that I practiced on. And since I got some more, I told her she could have those. So I got the nail beds fixed up, but right now she's just practicing on swatch sticks. So you'll see her arm coming in and out, and I think a couple of times she might show the swatch sticks to y'all. I don't know if they got cut out during editing though, but yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that's what y'all will see, because y'all's probably seeing her arm go across and get in the way, or her saying hi, waving hi. She kept waving hi, but she was doing it fast to where nobody could see it. But yeah, so that's it. I do love Makartt's polygels though, y'all. Like, they have some of the best workable polygels. I have came across some polygels that it's like you have to hurry up and use it because just the warmth from your finger, and it's making it go all over the place. And with Makartt's old formula, I had some stickiness, but lately they've been killing it with their kits, man. Okay, I gotta tell y'all what I did. Okay, so right after I finished this set, I was trying to take some pictures. So I'm standing up right on the side of my desk because that's where all my lights are at. So I'm kind of turned to where I'm kind of facing like where my butt was kind of on my desk, and it kind of looked like I was sitting on my desk because my desk is just tall enough and it fits right underneath my butt, okay? Like under the bottom of my butt, like where my leg starts, you know? So it's like my butt was sitting on my desk, but I wasn't putting any pressure on it. Next thing I know, I start feeling something like burning me. I'm like, what is going on? And I turn around and my nail glue had spilt, and it was under my butt. And I don't know if y'all ever got nail glue on y'all, but that stuff burns when it gets on your skin. And it had super glued to my butt and my pants. Y'all, I took my pants off so fast. Like, I really thought I had got chemical burns from it. That's how bad that's how bad it burned. I didn't know that glue burned like that on your skin. Oh my god, my daughter was laughing at me. I was like, oh my god, that's not funny. But she wasn't laughing because I got burned. She was laughing because I was stripping naked trying to get it off of me, you know? But yeah, so be careful with that glue. I never knew that nails could be dangerous, man. So this is my favorite buffer. It's from Profiles Backstage. Um, V nailed it, turned me on to them. I love it. Like, I mean, it's a buffer, but it's my favorite one. I don't know why. I mean, I have other ones, but I always reach for this one. I don't know why. It's like just sturdy, and it doesn't feel like it's like losing its coarseness or whatever it is that makes it buff. Because my other buffers are like they tear after a couple of uses, and I don't know. But this is my favorite one. I'm gonna link them in the description box for y'all so y'all can check them out because they're not expensive either. Like, I don't listen. I like to save my money. There's some things I like to splurge on, but not on buffers. So I'm gonna link it down below. And if y'all see anything else ever in my video that y'all want to know where it's from or whatever, just ask me. I'll send you the link. I try to remember to link it, but sometimes I forget. So just let me know if you see something. I must have over-filed into the spot, so I'm just going in and like filling in the holes. If I see, that I need a little bit more product, yeah, that's what I did. I over-filed. So yeah, I'm just going in, putting it a little bit, smoothing it out, and I'm just gonna take after I cure it, I'm gonna take my buffer and kind of buff it back smooth again. So now I'm gonna put on my stickers, and I have to be honest, I really did not like these stickers. I didn't see where, I guess with just my first set, I just didn't see where they would look cute, but they do. They look cute. And I love the peacock feathers and the head, because if you you could place the head right next to the little peacock feathers, and you could put a diamond and make it look like a body. It's so cute. So I'm just gonna top coat it, and that's it. And yeah, so there's my little simple short set with this kit, and I can't wait to try it again. Not the same colors, of course, but I am gonna use this kit again. I might throw in a nude or something and do something completely different with it. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I have another cute little picture for y'all at the end. So bye, guys. One more thing before I go. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the little bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And yeah, you could come and chill with me. Bye, guys. I don't know why I wave. I always wave when I tell y'all bye. But I wave. Bye, guys. And I wave. Anyway, bye, guys. I hope y'all liked it.